How to add showcase on TikTok profile full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to let you know how you can add showcase on TikTok profile. So for that you have to know the conditions for opening TikTok showcase. So your age requirement is 18 years old or above, and the TikTok account is active and the content published compiles with TikTok content policy. And TikTok account follower requirements is you must reach more than 1,000 follower, and the number of follower for US account must reach more than 5,000. And if the number and TikTok followers has not yet reached the requirement for opening the showcase, you can increase the number of follow using multiple methods. So let's talk about how to open TikTok showcase. So once your account meets the above condition, you can follow the steps how to apply for TikTok showcase. So first of all, you have to go to your TikTok profile, as you can see like here, and after that you have to click on the profile icon from here, and then you have to click on the TikTok studio. And after clicking on the TikTok studio, it will show you this dashboard, and after coming to the dashboard you have to just click on the monetization section and shop for creator, this option, and then you just have to read the promote products and commission you are eligible to apply, and then you have to click on apply. And if the account meets the requirements for the opening a TikTok showcase, the application page will pop up directly, and click apply button to the page to open the showcase. Once the application is approved, you can display the products on the showcase homepage and include the link in the products promoted by the shared bike in the TikTok video to encourage potential customers to buy. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.